Alright, so welcome to today's webinar. I'm going to talk to you about another of my remedies which I'm using very often. A rare remedy, a remedy we don't use in clinical practice, but my talk is always for all the passionate lovers of homeopathy. And I want all of you to use homeopathic remedies for helping as many patients you can in this lifetime. The remedy I want to talk to you today about is a remedy called as Guaco. It belongs to Compositae family, the same family of Arnica bellisperinus. But its main indication, which I want to talk to you today about, is especially for very, very difficult cases of lower motor neuron paralysis, for motor neuron paralysis, MND cases, difficult neurological conditions where there is a paralysis of the lower limbs, where there is a choking of the throat, where there is heaviness of moving the tongue, where typically there is a spinal irritation, spinal pain, and very often they are alcoholics who have a very high blood pressure. This is a very important remedy. The remedy also has syphilitic miasm as a base. The tongue can be typically very heavy as well. Um, One concomitant symptom, especially in ladies' cases, a lot of leukorrhea, which is burning as if fire. Back can be very, very burning, but a lot of weariness in hips and lower extremities. All symptoms are aggravated by motion. It should always be compared to Lathyrus sativus. Also very important remedy. Lathyrus has a state of mind like Nectrum muriaticum. Also very important remedy. Oxalic acid. I had a very interesting case of um, post-stroke kind of neuropathy which I was treating. He was alcoholic, and with help of Guaco, he was able to have a fairly normal type of life for a fairly long amount of time. It can often have a very relieving symptoms for neurological problems. Typically, who cannot talk properly, like aphasic problems. Um, Although this remedy is not known much, um, they also have a history of hydrophobia. They don't like water too much. Typically, you will see that. Nerves is the main action that you will see. They cannot walk properly. They cannot talk properly. And very often they may have a ganglion or like a tumor somewhere in the body. Swelling is a constant feeling, but the main feeling is they will say that my weight, I feel like a heaviness all over my body. It's in cases where all other remedies have failed that you would want to think about a remedy like guaco. A very important remedy, but we are not using it so often. So